What's up, guys? Good morning, Snag Boys here. So we're in Calgary right now. We're heading up to the mountains again after a month. So redemption arc, man.
Redemption arc, let's go!
Let's go! So yun, so we're here. Short little hike. Short little hike. Then we'll be there. Ahon ka agad, oh. Ha? Balik na tayo. Ahon ka agad.
Guys, pag wala talaga nahuli
A few moments later.
Monster, baka naman.
Oh, wow. Ganda, pre.
Ayun na, Gar. Okay nila.
Snag City. Itong dalawang to, ba't nandito sila? Doon kayo. May gear kayo, oh. Fish on, bed. Fish on, man.
Yo! Hey, Mero. Hey, Mero. Start recording.
Fish on.
Hindi nga spinner, pre.
Fish on, bud. Oh! Oh, it's a little baby. It's a baby, bro. It's a baby.
Rainbow.
It's a brookie, bro.
Pahingi ako ng line mo, pre. Hey, Mero, stop recording.
Oh.
Ito.
It's a brookie.
Hindi nga spinner, pre, yung bug bite. Ha? Yung bug bite? Yan, hindi kasi yung line ko eh. Ano yung line mo? Yung line mo. Paano yung pagka-setup ng sa'yo?
Thank you.
Oh. Yan oh.
Bye-bye. Oh, bumalik. Bumalik.
Nasa ilalim. Kita na.
Hindi pwede. Punta ako dun.
Ah, dami din oh. Ha?
Ah. Sige lang. Ah, papasok. Pasukan ng tubig yung sapatos ko. Basa. Okay. Nakapaa na ako. Nagpaa na ako. Things I do for fish, bro. I'm barefoot. Already caught one, so let's try catching lunch. Fish on ulit, pre! Fish on. Oh, is this a brookie? I don't know. They're all small here. Thank you, little buddy. Another one. Aray ko. Sakit. Aray mo. So my line got caught. my lure snapped. Ay. Retrieval tayo. Ito bang may red?
Ay, retrieve. Retrieval. Success. Kuha na lang ako ng tao.
Tol, may isda sa harap ko. Bro, it's... Di tayo zero par.
Camera.
Then to take up the black stuff, use your nails and push. What's our way? Bentar.
Oh, shit, I got peppers, bro.
Par, tingnan mo par. Ganito lang.
Yung dapat yung bago mo.
Oh, tingnan mo. Alis lahat.
Isa-isang pack. Paano ba naman pepper na kuha natin?
Hindi ko dito.
Gusto mo na lahat, tapos ibuhos mo. Kapag hindi makipili.
Okay lang. Look at that, so orange bro. Prito na lang natin ganito.
Ulo lang yung kapag. Sumakanda lang. Yung
Okay. Let's go cook. Up.
Pagkatingin, ubos ka.
Ubos ka agad yung mantika eh.
Wala, prep lang mo. Sisig to ah. Oh, sisig nga. Lagay ko na.
Lagay mo na lahat, pre. Hindi yung, wag yung sakto lang, pre.
Oh.
Sira ulo. Dito lang ako.
Nice one. Ayan.
Natupad na yung isa kong pangarap, catch and cook.
Yun oh.
Okay na, pre. Yun na, pre. Ang minarder ni Axel.
Tortang talong.
Tortang talong. Mhm.
Hey. Butter pa, butter. Hey. It's cooked na. Boom. Ay, mas masasarap tingnan sa kanya, pre.
Kaya nga, pre.
Nagtitripan natin, mas masarap tingnan sa kanya.
Hindi, tino mo, maaalis ka agad tinik ko.
Ah, ganun ba?
Ayan.
Maganda yan, pre. Eh, tortang talong. Hey, Mera. Start recording. Ang dulas. Oh. Brook trout, taste test. Ba't yun yung inuna mo, pre?
Mas maganda yung hiwa niya eh.
After mo, Victor.
Binabash ko pero mas maganda
Binabash
yung hiwa.
natin kanina, pero mas magandang lutuin eh. Sabi ko sa inyo. Tortang talong. Yo, that's good. Good meat. Walang lasa? No.
Bro, that's good. It's fresh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So fresh, bro. So fresh.
That fish is good, bro.
Hello guys, we're at the last spot. We went here last time, but we lost a bunch of fish, so we're gonna try again here. See if something's lurking still. Par! May isda maliit! Maliit! Ha? Tara. Ison! Pison! Patay! Pakak! Pison, pre! Pison! Woohoo! Di na zero! Di na zero! Di na zero! Pakak! It's a rainbow, bro. Pakak!
Alit, pre! Meron nga.
Woo! Thank you for biting! Haha! Guys, that's the end of the vlog. I got 4. They got none. 4? Yeah. What? I got 4. One in the the elbow, 2 in the elbow leg, and the 2 here.
Wait, there's you got another
Oh wait.
one? I thought you
No,
only
that
got
was 3. That was 3. Still.
Humble yourself.
3, 0, 0. Okay, that's it, guys. The sky's turning dark, so we're gonna call it a day.
I lost
We're gonna
my
go
baits.
See you guys again.